Hi all, this is Dr. Curry, the chair of the Teacher Prep program, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to make a quick video to walk you through how to create a Schoology course in Schoology. Schoology is going to be a program that you use through EDU 203, and so I just kind of wanted to give you the walkthrough of how to create the course and how to create your folders so you can load your assignments in as you go through. So let's get started. This is the Schoology website. You can see it's Schoology.com. You're going to have to create an assignment. That process is pretty straightforward. You can select your institution as Wilmington University as you go through. Remember, you're going to be creating a teacher account, not a student account. I've already done this, so I'm not going to show you that process. But you'll see what it looks like when we log in. So this is my account. I've got a lot of activity because I'm teaching a bunch of courses right now that use Schoology. But once you create your account, we're going to click on this courses button. Now again, I've got a lot of sections of this because I've got a lot of students who use this. But I'm going to go to my courses, and then we're going to click create a course. So let's click create a course. Then we're going to create course name. The course name is going to be EDU-203 and then, or pardon me, EDU 203 and then your last name. Now I already have a couple of sections of this that I've created as models for other students, but we'll create another one. So this will be section 3. Yours will say section 1. Subject area technology, course level is undergraduate. So let's click create. And then this is your course shell. This is where you're going to organize all your course content. You could do it by modules, you could do it by week. Basically what we're doing with your Schoology course is we're creating a class that mimics the organization of EDU 203. When you complete your assignments, you're going to submit your work in both Schoology and in Blackboard. So we'll click add materials, and we're going to start by adding a folder. Call this week 1, and we'll choose blue as the color. Click create. Good, super easy. Now we're going to open up week 1, and this is where you submit your assignments. Remember, you're submitting your assignments both in Blackboard and in Schoology. This Schoology site is going to be your student portfolio of your completed coursework. Your graded work is going to be done in Blackboard. So whenever you do an assignment, whether it's a discussion board or whether it is a smartboard assignment or whether it's a blog, you're going to add materials and then add an assignment or add a discussion or add a media album or a link to an external tool. You can add PDFs, you can import PDFs, whatever you need to do, you can all do that right here. So pretty straightforward stuff. Oh, by the way, once you finish creating your course, you're going to get this unique access code right here. You'll want to email that to your instructor so they can log in and view your Schoology site. Okay, there you go. Pretty straightforward stuff. I hope this process is pretty easy and fun to work with for you. Have a good day.